So, hey guys, I know that you clicked onto this video because you were hoping to see some mid-century modern design. Well, you will, but this is not where it started. I know that you also wanted to do a get ready with me. So, since I'm not too keen on that whole get ready with me thing, because my routine is so like not all that, that I figured I would combine the two. Okay, so y'all can get ready with me while I get ready to shoot this video that you are currently watching. So if you're watching it, that means that I was able to get my face ready and you're now going to be watching this video with me. But before we do that, let's just take it back a sec, okay? So that's my rewind because I have like cheap software, so I don't have the like rewind, but
hold up.
Hey, what's up guys? I'm over here getting ready. So you see how that works? I'm so magical. I'm like a fucking unicorn or something. I know you guys are looking for some sort of makeup tutorial. What I do is just so like not what a makeup artist would do. Oh, I fucked that up real quick. Like, I learned how to do my makeup really quick in a hurry because when we would be on tour, sometimes we would just run up in a venue and it'd be like, all right, hurry up, everybody get ready. You know, we'd be late for some reason. I don't know, probably because of Al. If you don't get through the whole video this time, please come back and watch it and I'll tell you why. There is something called a retention rate. And if for some reason you're like, oh, let me check her out. If you don't watch the whole video, at least a good 90% of it, then the algorithm will not push the video out to anybody else, which is what's holding my channel back. I can see my analytics and I can see that some of you guys are getting all the way through to the end and some of you are getting like halfway through and then you're like, so I'm just saying, you know, if you want to see this channel flourish and you don't want to see me get burnt out too quick, then I am just please asking you to get through the whole entire video. And because I'm gonna be honest with you, the last video that I did, the If Women Were Beautiful, it was actually more of a documentary. I am a little bit butt sore.
My butt is not safe out here. No part of me is safe.
Because I spent 2 weeks creating that documentary and it's only gotten maybe around 700 views, and that's because the algorithm is not pushing it out. So that's why I asked you guys to go ahead and share, you know, like, I don't think likes matter as much as clicking on to another video. That video retention, they want to keep you here. YouTube is a business and they want to keep you here on the platform. So when they see that there's a channel that's keeping people on the platform, that's what gets pushed. Are you picking up what I'm laying down? It's a business. And if they can keep you on the platform, then they figure that this is a good channel. So let's push it out to other people because she's putting out good content. Blend that in, a little shimmer right in there. Okay, okay. Don't laugh at me, but this is how I twinkle my nose. I put a little gold right there and then I just kind of feather it out. I am no makeup artist and most makeup artists would cringe at my routine, but guess who don't? Me. Lashes, man, they take forever. The guys that are watching this are probably like, oh, that's where she get that face from. Yep, I get it out of my tray. Alright, so I got those lashes on. So we already know that this platform is the good old boys club in digital format. It's hard out here for the colored girls. I'm just saying. If you look at the content creators on this platform, it is predominantly white male, and I am the total opposite. So I don't think that I'm going to have the same success value. It's just gonna be a lot harder, and that's why I need you guys to go to work, because you want to see this content. A lot of y'all are like, oh my god, girl, I love you. I love y'all back. But at the same token, this stuff is a lot of work. Like, it takes up days and days and days of my life. I have had to tweak my entire life in order to make this platform a priority, because I want to see where it goes. So I'm not trying to put all of that, you know, on you, like, girl, don't stress me out, I'm just here to watch the channel. I get it. But what I'm saying is, if you want to see more, you gotta help a sister out. I think I want to add a little bit more gold in here. What you think? Maybe a little too much gold. So anyway, I don't want to hold you hostage too much longer. Thank you for getting ready with me. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this video now. If you have seen my lounge area, you still want to stick around for the simple fact that there have been some changes, and also this is a deeper dive. So this is the DIY, the behind the scenes. So kind of like you already saw my tour, you already know what exists, but now we're doing the nuts and bolts. So we're going behind the scenes, you know, the back of the house, so to speak. So make sure you stick around to the very end. Make sure that you click on another video. If you don't watch it, let the play. Okay, thank you, I appreciate it. So yeah, that's it, and let's go ahead and get into this video. I'll see you on the other side. All right, guys. Okay, I am a whole goddamn liar. Okay, I promised you a video behind the Get Ready With Me, but as I was editing, the video was getting way too long. So I decided to chop it up into two separate videos. So you got part one, which is the Get Ready With Me while I get ready to do the video that you're gonna watch next, okay? So yeah, so the video is there. It's not like I didn't do it. I just wanted it to be a separate video. I didn't think that the, you know, Get Ready With Me, Let's Chat video was going to take as long as it did. But once I got to talking, I was just like, oh, I'm still like diarrhea gums. So anyway, we're gonna do some shout outs, seeing as we got another video. And then you guys are going to go and watch the next video, which is actually the video on the Design with a Pro, my lounge series, okay? I love you, forgive me, bye! Hey guys, what's up? It is shout out time, and I have Ava, Nia Love, Lenore Ball, Nichelle B, Wonderful Grace, and Women Well Done. Thank you so much for all of the love you guys give me in the comments. I appreciate you, and please have a great day and let another video play, especially the one that was supposed to be playing after this video anyway. I love you. Bye!